You might be wondering, why am I standing here with all these speakers? Welcome to World According to Todd Speakers. All I do is work on old mass market speakers and kind of those that are a little bit higher up, like the Energies. But I really focus on the cheapos, you know, all your mass market speakers. I'm just really into like improving them. They're out there, they're a bargain for the cost of, you know, a speaker alone, just a cheap pair of cabinets, right? I mean, you can't go wrong as long as you know what to do with them. And that's what this channel is all about. So it's for you guys and gals that like speakers, that love audio. Maybe you don't want to spend a fortune to get really nice sound. This is the place to come. So anyway, I've got a ton of stuff going on, whole bunch of projects. I just wanted to welcome you to the channel. Ask you if you are watching this and you dig it, go ahead and subscribe. If you feel like it, give me a thumbs up. If you hate it, thumbs down, I guess. But anyway, I always welcome all the comments, questions, suggestions, constructive criticism. It's all good for me. I just started this back before Christmas of 2022. And it all began with that big old set of Jensens that you see over there. And they're tucked away in the corner. They sound fantastic, but I'm in the midst of all kind of different projects. I figure I'll just give you a sneak peek, a little glimpse into kind of things I do. The project that I'm just about wrapped up with is this RCA STS 1230. This is a vintage, say early 2000s Radio Shack speaker. When they had switched over to RCA from Optimist to RCA. But anyway, this has been completely gone through. I've got a whole series of videos on it. I tried to take this one really incrementally, gutting it, bracing it, sound deadening it, trying different woofers, trying different port lengths, trying different tweeters and mid-ranges. And so like where I'm at right now with this speaker is I just have to run a frequency sweep. I want to see where the speaker is at right now. And my plan is, this tweeter, this is a Dayton Classic Silk Dome tweeter. And don't get me wrong, it sounds nice. And I think that the longer I listen to it, the longer I play these speakers, the better it sounds. And I know that, there's a lot of controversy as far as whether burn-in occurs and stuff like that. But I can tell you, from when I first put these tweeters in until now, they sound different. And I don't think it's my ears getting used to it, because you can see that I listen to different speakers constantly. Anyway, the plan is I wanted to try a Dayton reference series tweeter. And this is a really nice looking tweeter. This thing probably weighs about as much as some woofers, I swear. It is really heavy. But anyway, I've got to put this tweeter into here, and I'm going to try that, see how it sounds, see if it sounds better than the Silk Dome. Plus it matches the look of the mid-range better. So anyway, I'm going to do that. This is a 4 ohm tweeter, so I'm going to be running a 4 ohm resistor in series with it. Not the greatest idea in the world, but I do want it to be an 8 ohm nominal system. So that's what's next up on my list of to-dos. I've got a whole bunch of new speakers that are here. I've got them here for, improvement projects, so on and so forth. And I don't know if you guys knew this or not, but did you know if you get realistic speakers, like I started with this little set of realistic speakers, if you leave them long enough, especially at night, they tend to reproduce just like rabbits. I mean, look at all these things. These are all realistic speakers. And I don't know where they came from. No, I'm kidding. But anyway, yeah, I've got realistic speakers, Radio Shack, Nico, Jensen, Energy. I've got audiophile speakers. I just got those. I might do a review on those. I think you might be surprised. But that being said, that's what the channel's all about. I'm glad that you joined me, and stick around and we're going to tackle this three-way project here, putting the other tweeter in there. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you'll know when the next one comes up. Yeah, so thank you for coming along. Thank you for joining me. Thanks for hanging out with me as I mess with old speakers.